After much anticipation, Samsung fans can now look forward to a real date. The Galaxy S26 series, Samsung's next non-foldable flagship range, is scheduled to be unveiled in San Francisco, California, on February 25, 2026, according to a significant claim made earlier this month by reliable tipster Ice Universe. Evan Blast, a well-known leaker, has intervened and fully supported this on X, demonstrating that Ice Universe's material is accurate. He claims that the launch date of February 25th is set in stone. He stated with assurance and clarity that the date is 100% accurate and can be relied upon without question. This is your chance if you have been anticipating the Galaxy S26 series. You can formally mark February 25, 2026, as the date of the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on your calendar. According to previous rumors, Samsung intends to start selling the phones in early March. There's a catch though. According to a number of sources, the Galaxy S26 lineup may cost more than the Galaxy S25 series. This growth is anticipated despite the possibility of few significant hardware changes, mostly because smartphone component costs are rapidly increasing, particularly as a result of persistent memory shortages. In summary, the enthusiasm is growing and the launch date appears certain, but your wallet may also feel the pinch. Samsung appears to be preparing for something more significant than usual as the S26 Ultra's identity is being shaped by a new wave of color. The initial indications from Ice Universe point to a blend of traditional grace and a daring new outlook, and to be honest, the anticipation is already growing. White and silver are confirmed to be two of the primary finishes based on early details. Both have the polished metal tone that instantly conveys supreme quality and the sleek, high-end appearance for which Samsung is renowned. However, the new purple finish is the main attraction. Samsung seems to want this one to take center stage based on the manner it is being teased. Anticipate a richer, darker purple that stands out in advertising photos and seems eye-catching on retail shelves. The second round of news follows. Samsung has finally verified the Exynos 2600 and its impending release following weeks of leaks. We got our first official peek from a brief teaser video. Samsung begins by acknowledging the flaws in earlier Exynos chips with the words, "In silence, we listened." Then, confidence-boosting statements like, "Refined at the core," and "Optimized at every level" follow. The first 2nm smartphone chipset to be released is anticipated to be the Exynos 2600. Additionally, preliminary testing indicates that it is comparable to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Although it won't be available in every market, Samsung intends to introduce this processor with the Galaxy S26 series. The S26 Ultra is poised to offer a new identity supported by significant power thanks to its next-generation chipset and new trademark color. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's current flagship non-foldable device, is available in an amazing variety of colors. Jet black and titanium black are two stylish possibilities if black is your color of choice. The titanium black blends a black screen with a silver frame, giving each a very different feel, while the jet black shines with a completely black panel and frame. The shades have their own narrative, even among black people. But with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the company's next non-foldable flagship, things might get much more intriguing. The black version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have a black frame instead of the titanium black of the S25 Ultra, according to Ice Universe on X. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.